Everybody impatient today, boy. Alright guys, welcome back to another POV in the BMW. I almost said the old saying, man. But yeah guys, this is my first POV drive in this car. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes, man. But
in a quarter of a mile, turn left on Northwest 199th Street.
And lower this, man. Can't have you all know where I'm going. But yeah guys, first POV. Also, before we get further into this POV, man, if you are new to the channel, let me know, especially if you found my channel because of this BMW. I do want to know the kind of reach BMWs have on YouTube to see if, you know, my next car will be another BMW. So let me know. Also, for those of you interested in my personal more my personal life and money, strange enough, I don't know, for some reason I keep getting questions about, you know, like what I do for a living, how much I make, where I work, all that kind of stuff. And you know, I kind of tried before to integrate the videos onto this channel, but because my channel, you know, it was mostly about cars, this channel you're on, because it's mostly about cars, it doesn't integrate well. So I created a dedicated channel for y'all boys, man. For those of you all nosy enough who want to know, man. But you know, I personally don't mind sharing that stuff, guys. Actually, I like talking about money and finance, you know. So if you all want to know more about that, man, yeah, just go check out the channel. The link is in the description below. It is currently called Nigel D Finance. I don't know if I'll change it in the future, but that's what it is for now, man. But yeah, it's about to be it's about to get dark soon. I don't know if this POV will end will end when it's totally dark, but we'll see. Oh, let me get a thumbnail. Show the lights on. Yeah, cover all this, make it look fancier, man. That's but this car got a hell of a kick on low end, man. Especially in sport mode. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of a thing called the pedal commander. A lot of muscle car owners or Mopar owners put that in their cars, man. This BMW feels like it has a pedal commander all the time. And then, of course it doesn't, but that's how it feels. The pedals is just so sensitive, especially in sport mode. It's crazy. If you're not careful, you could run into something, man. But so far, guys, I've been enjoying this BMW, man. So far, I've been enjoying this BMW. It is it's obviously not as fast as the previous cars, but it is still quick enough. But you already know, guys, this car is either not gonna be around for long, or I'm going to get another car, man. It's a must. It's a must, bro. Yeah, I can't run away from my destiny. Cannot. I don't know. Let me lower the AC so it's not too loud. I saw in my previous video on this car talking about things I like. Some of you said that's your dream car. And it's crazy to me because, You know, I know how people like this car, but I never really thought I'd see somebody on the channel say that's a dream car. It's amazing. I wasn't even on full throttle because it just gets up so quick and we're around the corner. Wow, man. I wonder how much this car weighs, bro. I don't know if it's just... I've been trying to like figure out BMW's engineering, man. Like, what do they do to make these cars like so quick out of the factory? Even with low numbers. Like, is it the weight, the tuning? I don't know. Or maybe because the pedal is so sensitive, it gives you like a, I don't know, a higher sense of speed. But I don't know, man, because like even on once you start getting more in the top end, you start to feel like the car pulling more. But mid-range, I think I've said this before, so I don't want to be repeating the same thing about this car. But starts off quick, then I feel like it lags behind, then it starts to pick up again. Come on, man. I hate being boxed in. So right now, guys, I actually have the car in sport individual mode. For those of you who don't know, you can put the car not just in the standard sport mode, but you can configure individual options. Thing like this, that's like most cars. So my sport individual, the only thing I turned off was the engine because of the sound. It's a little bit too loud for me, but I don't know how much that affects performance, what else is involved when it says engine, but you know, it's still pretty quick in sport mode, man. Or sorry, sport individual with the engine off. Hey, the rumors are not true, man. They say BMW drivers don't use their signals. As you can see in this video, in the flesh, this is not AI generated. You know, this, I'm actually using turn signals, or somebody's actually using turn signal. It is AI generated though when if I do start to speed in there though. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you can see the sun went down a bit, so you can see the interior light a bit. Oh, let me turn this off, man. Show you all the back of this car. Got a little bit of interior lighting in the back too. Those are a Chrysler 300S. Hey, for those of you who know cars, can this BMW be the Chrysler 300S? I don't know. I ain't gonna try to race him or anything. I'm just wondering since I'm passing by. Slow Annie. Bro, Why did I just do that?
Right 2 lanes to turn right on US 1 South.
I just used my turn signals and I ain't even turning. That's crazy. That thing just jumps. Oh shit, I should have gotten the turning lane. Now I'm gonna have to be an asshole and do something crazy. Man. Ain't nobody trying to let you over right now, bro. Don't worry, though. There's always one person slipping. Always one. You're gonna catch that much. Yeah, like right there. Thank you, though, either way.
Turn right on US 1 South.
See, because somebody let me in, I'm gonna let this person in right there. Come on, my boy. I guess I don't want to turn. Why?
Use the left 2 lanes
Sky.
to turn left on Northeast 195th Street.
That's crazy. Okay. Oh shit, my bad. I didn't mean to zoom in like that, guys.
In 1,000 feet, turn left, then stay to the right.
Yeah, I'm just going to the mall right now. Get some dinner with the fam. And on the way, I figured I'd just give you guys a quick POV, man. But for those of you who don't know where this is, or maybe you've never been to Florida, we are next to the Aventura Mall. It's one of the more popular malls. And one thing about these lights, they take forever. Oh, damn. It's getting back in the hot. These damn gestures, bro. I'm feeling hot as hell right now, but it's not helping right now that it's, what's the temperature out right now? Almost, it says 80 on the car, but I know it's like probably 77 or something like that right now. But it doesn't help that I have a sweatshirt on right now in this temperature, but it's worth it. The sweatshirt I have, so I'm gonna let you guys in on a little behind the scenes. I'm trying to have my own clothing brand, or I should just say clothing line, because the original shirt itself, I didn't make it or anything, but you know, the designs or the prints, I'm doing those. So the sweatshirt that I have on right now, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit, is actually to try and advertise a little bit. I'm gonna do it at this stop sign real quick. So a quick sneak peek, man. This is it. Just the bear saying sign D-realist. But Yeah, man. Hey, go ahead, bro. Man, bro, I gave you enough time while I was looking at my shirt and this dude was just waiting. But hopefully I couldn't see behind the camera if that was in the frame, but yeah, man, I'm trying to get up there in various business areas, you know. I never thought I would try clothing, but I know it's fun, man. It's kind of fun to design clothes. And actually, from now on, most of the clothes you guys will probably like see on me is actually going to be mine. I figure, like, you know, why just wear my own clothes? And I like it because, like, you know, I don't have to go in the store and be like, I don't know if I want that. Or if I see a shirt, maybe I like the material or something, but I don't like the design. I don't have to worry about that. I know exactly what I'm getting, my own design. And yeah, to end this POV, let me find a parking first and then what is this? Oh, only for people with babies. God damn. Last time I got lucky when I was here, man, and got a front spot, but
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
let me see. What is this parking? Curbside pickup. God damn it, man. Bro, go home, bro. Go home. These people. Fuck me. Okay, I guess there's a bunch of parking on the other row. Oh, I could park under this tree. Yeah, I'll park under this tree. The car needs to wash anyway, so. Don't curb my rims, say. Please don't curb the rims. Hey, bro, chill. Chill out. All right, let me show you all this sweater from outside. See there? Yeah, what do you guys think of this design, bro? Honest opinions. It's not a fashion channel or anything, but just wanted to show you all a little. This was the third design I worked on. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, man. That's the end of the POV. Oh, let me lock the car. God damn. I'm not used to this. Appreciate y'all watching, man. See you in the next one. Let's go.